I want to interview people. Please watch the video.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Hakimul Wadud.
What is your hobby?
Playing football,
What is your day activity?
studying and play game.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Thank you.
How are you?
Hello, I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Jasmine Islami Purnama.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is traditional dancing.
What is your day activity?
My activity is school, study, and working.
Okay, thank you. Hello, bro. How are you? What is your name?
My name is Wadami. You can call me Davia.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is gymnastics.
What is your day activity?
My activity is training.
Thank you, bro. Nice to meet you. Hello, bro. How are you?
I'm good.
What is your name? What is your hobby? What is your day activity? Thank you. Yeah, hello. How are you?
I'm good.
What is your name?
My name is Budesh Radana Ria. You can call me Bagas.
Oh, your name is good.
Thank you.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is ride bicycle.
Your hobby is good. What is your activity?
My activity playing soccer.
Playing soccer?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice to meet you, Bagas.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, bro.
Hello.
How are you? What is your name?
My name is Anja.
What is your hobby?
Playing soccer.
What is your day activity? Oh, thank you, bro. What is your name?
My name is Ari.
What is your hobby?
I like playing mobile game.
What is your day activity?
Study.
Okay, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Awal.
What is your hobby?
Playing games.
What is your day activity?
Studying.
Thank you.